Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a good questionnaire in Google Forms. So let's get right into it. Click the 9 dots next to your profile, scroll down and select Forms. We have many templates here, but sometimes it's easier to just select a blank form. Start by typing in your form title. I'm going to make mine Fashion Questionnaire. You can add a description here, but I'm going to leave mine blank. Now it's time to start adding questions. For my first question, I'm going to put how old are you? For this question, I'm going to use multiple choice. Click the plus icon to add a new question. For my second question, I'm going to put rate our services on a scale of 1 to 10. As you can see here, it automatically changed the question type to a linear scale based on the question I put in here. But for this question, I would actually prefer to use the multiple choice grid. This is what the multiple choice grid looks like when I'm adding in questions. But this is what the respondents will see as they're answering this question. I've added a few more questions here, and now I want to preview it. Click the eye over here, and you'll be able to see what it would look like when someone else is filling out this form. I want the form to take me to one of these two sections based on the response put in here. To do that, I will have to add a page break. Go back to the form, click the icon that looks like two rectangles, and it will add a new section. So I'm just going to repeat this process for this question and this question. And when I preview it, you can see the page has been broken into pieces. When I click female as my option, I would like it to take me straight to question 5. But as you can see, it still takes me to question 4 first. To change this, go back to the form, and next to this question, I'm going to select go to section based on answer. So for male, I'm going to select go to section 2, and for female, I'll select go to section 3. And when I preview this and I select female, it's going to take me straight to section 3. After making all your desired changes to the questions on the form, you can choose to customize the theme and add a header. Click the palette icon, and here I can change the text styles or the color theme. I'm going to leave mine blue, and you can come under header and choose image. You can select one of the images that are already provided, or you can come here and upload a photo. Whenever you're ready to publish the form, you can click the button in the top right corner, and you can manage it so that anyone with the link can respond, or you can send it to specific people. I'm going to make it so that anyone with this link can fill in the form. So click publish, then come here and copy the link. You can post this link on a public platform of your choice, and whoever gets this link will be able to fill the form. I'm going to paste the link in a new tab, and now I can start filling out the form. When someone fills out this form, it will show up in the responses tab, and you can review their answers. If you no longer want the form to accept responses, come back to the publish button and turn accepting responses off. Click save, and it will show you the message, this form isn't accepting responses. And this is how to create a good questionnaire in Google Forms. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.